This battery-powered sprayer delivers steady pressure with 3 selectable flow settings, so you can dial in a gentle mist for seedlings or a stronger stream for tougher jobs without hand-pumping fatigue. The built-in battery indicator and efficient motor give you long, predictable runtime, which is especially helpful when you are covering a large lawn or multiple garden beds in one session. Its generous 2-gallon tank has wide openings and a clear volume scale, making it easy to mix solutions accurately, refill without mess, and see at a glance how much liquid you have left. 4 interchangeable nozzles and a retractable wand provide excellent reach and control, allowing you to switch quickly between precise spot treatments and broader coverage around shrubs, borders, and walkways. The sprayer feels solid thanks to its thick plastic construction, and the comfortable handle, shoulder strap, and built-in filter all contribute to a design that is easy to carry, resists clogging, and stands up well to regular use. Beyond garden work, this unit proves handy for household cleaning, car washing, and light outdoor rinsing, so it ends up being a versatile tool you reach for far more often than a basic manual sprayer.